So many of my friends are fans of buck, and I haven't owned a buck in a while, so I decided to go with this one. It does come in a nice box, little message and information from the company there. This one has a nice leather sheath. This one is called the 105. This one has the Cocobolo wood handle, the aluminum with accented grip, and this one has a D2 blade with a really unique long style there. So I'm a big fan of the 105s, and this one in D2 really struck my fancy. It's well made, it's well balanced. Certainly has a classic look with a little bit extra going on with that blade. It's kind of a swoop and then a bit of a point there. I don't know how to describe it. Great engravings and made in the USA. Really nice knife from Buck. Hope this helps.